Does your WordPress website have a staging or development site? A staging site enables you to test changes in a non-production environment before applying them to the main site. This can ultimately save time and prevent unforeseen issues. When you add your staging domain to QUIC.cloud, it is treated as a separate domain. Quota usage on the staging site does not impact usage on the main site. In this video, we will show you how to add your existing staging site to your QUIC.cloud account. Please note that a staging site or a development site is different from a domain alias. If you want to set up a domain alias, this video won't help. Please see the link in the description below for domain alias instructions. If you'd like to follow along with this video, you will need the following: a WordPress website using QUIC.cloud DNS, a staging WordPress website that has been cloned from your main site, the LiteSpeed Cache plugin installed and activated on both sides, and a QUIC.cloud account. We'll cover 4 main topics: setting up DNS for the staging domain, setting up the LiteSpeed Cache plugin, setting up QUIC.cloud CDN, and restricting public access to your staging site. The first thing we need to do is set up the DNS for your staging site. We'll assume that your staging site is a subdomain of your main site, so for this example, we'll use a main domain at QC-example.com and a staging domain at staging.qc-example.com. Our main domain is using QUIC.cloud DNS, so that is where we will need to set up the staging site's DNS as well. Log into your my.quic.cloud account and click DNS zones. Click qc-example.com and click Add New Record. Set type to A and host to staging. Enter your staging server's IPv4 address and set TTL to whatever you like. Click the Add Record button. At this point, you've completed the DNS setup, but you'll still need to connect the staging site to QUIC.cloud and enable the CDN. To connect the staging site to QUIC.cloud, log into the staging site's WordPress dashboard. Navigate to LiteSpeed Cache and then General. Request a domain key, and after a few moments, refresh the page until you see the key is generated. Press the Link to QUIC.cloud button and sign into the QUIC.cloud account for the main site. Once the linking process completes, you'll be redirected back to WordPress. Navigate to LiteSpeed Cache, then CDN, set QUIC.cloud CDN to On, and press the Save Changes button. That is everything you need to do on the WordPress site. From your QUIC.cloud dashboard, select the new staging.qc-example.com domain and navigate to the Settings tab. Verify that your server IP is correct and that your staging site URL is displayed under Registered Sites. Navigate to the CDN tab and click the Enable CDN button. You will need to wait a short while for your DNS to be verified and the SSL certificate to be generated. You can click the Refresh Status link to see how it's going. Once everything is valid, verified, and in use, your staging site setup is complete, and you can stop here if you wish. The rest of this video shows you some optional steps you can take to restrict public access to your staging site. Presumably, your staging site is for your own personal use, and you don't want the general public accessing your test content. There are a few additional steps you can take to restrict public access. You can discourage search engines from indexing the site, and you can configure access control in QUIC.cloud. Here's how. On the WordPress dashboard for the staging site, navigate to Settings, then Reading. Scroll down and click the checkbox next to Discourage search engines from indexing this site. Save your changes. Using this setting doesn't guarantee that your staging site won't be indexed, but most reputable search engines will honor this setting. Next, head to your QUIC.cloud dashboard. We can use the traffic setting to only allow access from particular continents or countries. If a region is blocked, a 403 error page will be displayed when a user attempts to access the staging site. Navigate to CDN, then CDN config, then traffic. Set block action to reject, and then click the Manage Filters button. Select Block for the continents you wish to restrict, and select any exceptions you may have. If you would like to completely block all traffic but allow access only to yourself, set Global Traffic to Block All. When you are finished configuring your filters, press the Save Traffic Filters button. If you blocked all traffic, or blocked your own country, you'll want to add your IP address to QUIC.cloud's Allow list so that you can still access your site. Click Security in the sidebar navigation and scroll down to Access Control. Enter the IPv4 address that you use to access the internet in the Allow List field. If you don't know your IPv4 address, try an IP lookup site like whatismyipaddress.com. The traffic blocking settings don't apply to the QUIC.cloud dashboard, so if your IP address changes later, simply come back to this spot and add the new IP to the allow list. And that's it! You have successfully added a staging site to QUIC.cloud, and optionally restricted traffic to it. For related topics and more information, please see the links in the video description. If you have any issues that aren't covered in this video, our friendly support team is always available to assist. Thank you for watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing. See you soon.